दो वेक्टर क्वांटिटी को अगर मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए, उसका रिजल्ट अगर वेक्टर आता है, then that is known as the vector product or scalar product. Already we have seen when the two vector quantity are multiplied, if the resultant was scalar, that was known as the scalar product or the dot product, and that was mentioned as A dot B is equal to A B cos theta. But here the cross product, when two vector quantities are multiplied, the result is vector, then this is known as the vector product or cross product. For example, the torque, here torque, the angular momentum, torque means turning effect of force. If force is applied here, if the force is applied here in this direction, torque means this is the R, this is F. It means direction of force parallel to this, this is also the force. Turning effect of force, then R cross F, इसकी जो direction होगी, this is equal to perpendicular to the both A and B, R cross F. So R cross F, turning effect of force, R cross, this is R, this is F, R cross F, here you can see this, R cross F, that will be equal to perpendicular to both R and F, means here it is R cross F. In case of the skew, when wrench is used, when force is applied on a particular distance, then R cross F, its direction, it is in upward direction. It means R and F both are the vector quantity, but its result comes out to be perpendicular to the both A and B. So generally, if A and B are the two vectors, then A cross B is mentioned as magnitude of A, magnitude of B, it is sine theta. N unit, what is the N unit vector? Which is perpendicular to both A and B. If A and B are the two vectors, and then the direction of A cross B, it will be perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. A और B अगर दो एक ही प्लेन पर हैं, तो जो दोनों का डायरेक्शन है, वो दोनों जो डायरेक्ट इसका रिजल्ट जो होगा R क्रॉस F, इस दोनों के परपेंडिकुलर। कल हम लोग डिस्कस इसको किए थे। अच्छा, क्रॉस। सो it is A cross B. M is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. इसकी डायरेक्शन को लिखते कैसे हैं? राइट हैंड थंब रूल, राइट हैंड स्क्रू रूल. So two rules are used to define the direction of A cross B. That is the right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule. If a vector is rotated from A to B, then to the smaller angle, if a vector is rotated from A to B, so a smaller angle, then the thumb gives the direction of A cross B. This is the right hand thumb rule. If a vector is rotated from A to B, then the direction of thumb gives the direction of A cross B. In the same way, right hand screw rule. Right hand screw rule. If a screw is rotated by the right hand, then the advancement of the screw gives the direction of the वेक्टर A क्रॉस B. अगर एक स्क्रू को राइट हैंड से रोटेट किया जाए तो तो जिस डायरेक्शन में इसको मूव करता है, that gives the direction of A cross B. A cross B, it is always perpendicular to both the vectors A and B. Here see, A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sin theta and unit. Here this also can be mentioned as, here see, A cross B, magnitude of it is equal to mod A cross B, it is equal to AB sin theta, AB sin theta n unit. So here you see, this is equal to, when you find it, this is value, it is equal to, the magnitude of A cross B, it is equal to AB sin theta. Unit vector magnitude, that is 1. So mod A cross B, we see that AB sin theta. And in this way, if you want to find what will be the unit vector, it means mod A cross B is equal to AB sin theta. Then what will be the unit vector? Here you see, unit vector, it is equal to A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B. ध्यान रखना, अगर हमें यूनिट वेक्टर निकालना हो which is perpendicular to both A and B, so this n unit vector is equal to A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B. This is the unit vector which is perpendicular to both. वैसे यूनिट वेक्टर हमें पता है कि यूनिट वेक्टर अगर वेक्टर यूनिट है, it is equal to vector A upon magnitude of A. So here unit vector, n unit vector, it is equal to vector A cross B upon magnitude of A cross B. A cross B, here you see, n is the vector perpendicular to both A and B. If we consider the three vectors which are three unit vectors which are perpendicular to each other, I, J, K, try to understand. It is I, J and K, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Then what will be the, you know that A cross B, it is equal to AB sin theta n unit. What will be I cross I? I cross I. It is 0. Because magnitude of I sin 0. So whole will be 0. Similarly, J cross J, it is 0. K cross K, it is also 0. What will be the I cross J? I cross J. It is equal to magnitude of I, magnitude of J, sin 90 degree. I J के बीच का एंगल कितना है? 90 डिग्री. So that will be equal to means देख लेना I में J sin 90 and another vector which is perpendicular, unit vector perpendicular to both, that is K. It means I cross J, it is equal to K. I and K is perpendicular to both I and J. Similarly, J cross K, it is equal to I, and K cross I is equal to J. K cross I, it is equal to J. Here K cross I, it is equal to J. Similarly, in the reverse form, if you want to see, then J cross I, J cross I, it is minus K, and K cross J, it it is equal to minus I, and I cross K, I cross K is equal to minus J. Here we see that the vector product is not commutative. I cross J, it is not equal to J cross I. How it is possible? You have to see if you have to prove that, so that vector addition is not commutative. So you can see here A cross B, it is equal to AB sin theta, n unit vector. So what will be the, it is A cross B, it is A and this is the B. Angle between them, if it is theta, smaller angle, it is A cross B. Then what will be B cross A? B cross A, that is equal to 360 minus theta. A cross B, it is, this angle is 360 minus theta. So this is, we can write it is BA sin 360 minus theta, it is n unit vector, and this is equal to minus BA. So minus BA, AB and BA is same, so A minus AB sin theta n unit vector, and thus it is AB sin theta minus n vector. It means here B cross A, it is equal to unit vector n, that is in opposite direction minus n, and thus A cross B, it is not equal to B cross A. Direction, magnitude is same, but direction is different. So A cross B, it is not equal to B cross A. B cross A dot B is equal to B dot A, but A cross B, it is not equal to B cross A. What is the geometrical meaning? Geometrical meaning of the cross product. Here A cross B is not equal to B cross A. A cross B, it is equal to minus B cross A. माइनस कर देंगे तो रिवर्स हो बराबर A क्रॉस B, it is equal to minus B cross A. Geometrical meaning of the cross product. Geometrical meaning you have to understand. Geometrical meaning of cross product. You see this geometrical meaning of cross product. Suppose two vectors A and B. Vector A and B at an angle theta. If we complete a parallelogram, then here, if we draw, what will be the area of the parallelogram? Here you see this is A, this vector B. If we draw a perpendicular, it is O, P, it is Q, and it is S. If we draw a perpendicular SCM here, so what is the SCM? It is equal to, it is B sin theta. It is B sin theta. Component of B, that component of vector B perpendicular to it. Here this is cos theta and this is sin theta. So what will be the area of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram is area of parallelogram OPQS. It is equal to the OP into SCM. OP sine theta. Clear? And this is equal to mod A cross B. Mod A cross B. This is the geometrical meaning of cross product. It means the cross product of the two vectors which form the two sides